everyone, my name is THUSHAR, first year ECE. Startup company is Electron, product present name is Bike, proposed product name is Apex Rider. Empathizing. These are some of the requirement and feeling about the product as set by the customers during the empathizing activity. Advancement in electric propulsion, smart features like GPS tracking, advancement in integrated communication system as well as materials like carbon fiber for lighter and stronger frames. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Bike, futuristic product name is Apex Rider. IDate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Carbon fiber satellite GPS track it, IoT enabled two-wheelers. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage.